Good morning, and today we're in Troutbeck, and we've got a cottage to soft wash, and I'll show you what we're looking like. So these are the views that around. So it's this property here that's actually being converted, and we came, I think it was about a week ago, and we did a small test patch. They were wondering whether soft washing would be the answer, so I'll show you. So this area here, this is where we did the test patch, down there, and Sam's just covering up these brass fittings here. These are new brass fittings, and we're just covering those up, and you can see it's a painted wet dash. There's quite a lot of staining. Again, all these are new electrical fittings that we want covering. Right back down here. Not bad views. And at the front, wisteria here, that will be okay. Rose. Not a bad place to work. And then this side here. You can see quite a lot of green algae on there. So a nice, beautiful job for us, this one.
These are the best jobs. These are the days, aren't they? Only thing we should have brought was the mince pies.
So we've finished this property now at Troutbeck, and I'll show you what we're looking like. So you can see the front here. There's a bit of a rust mark under the window there, we've cleared that. And on this side. And then it's when we get around this corner that you can really tell the difference. So this area here. So this was particularly bad in this area and all around there. Just cleaned it up. And then this is where the test patch was originally. So again, that was quite bad next to the test patch. I'll go down there. We've also done this little outhouse. And as we always say, it's normally about a week or 10 days after we've done that it will look its best as it fully dries out. But this is looking really good. And, so the test patch was here, and now it's all, and there was quite a lot of rust on this area. It's now been treated. And there's this end. So, we're very pleased with that. And if you've enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you subscribe, you'll get notifications of future videos. And we'll see you on the next one.